Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to remove saved chats in Character AI. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to go to Character AI and then log into your account. Okay, that's right. So right here you'd be able to see the accounts that you have been chatting with. So for example, so you just have to click on the chats button from your home page. And here I'll be clicking on this user. Now you can see our chats. So the next thing that you'll do is you just have to click on these three dots at the top right side and then click on the view save chats. And then here I'll be selecting this one and I'll be clicking on the three dots at the top right side again and click on remove messages. So here you can choose the message that you want to remove, or you can select all of the following messages. Okay, so I'll just delete this one or click on remove and go back to the home page. Okay, so let's go back. Now, you just have to click on the edit button at the top and then click on the axe icon. So when you do that, this specific user that you have been chatting with will be removed. And if you go back to your homepage, you can no longer see that user. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.